Hey dolls, I'm back at it again. So, fresh out the shower, this is how my face looks. Disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and clean her up. If y'all wanna see how I clean it up, y'all can watch the previous YouTube videos. It's on there. I woke up with these gross little fellas right here. You know what the heck is going on. But we're gonna get back to that, honey. All right, give me a few. Hello, darlings. I'm back at it. So, I got my hair up. I got my makeup off, so it's not so disgusting. Just needs to be fixed up. We're gonna take care of that right there. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, girls. It's a little loud. Let me try now. Okay. So, the first thing, sorry, I gotta put my water down. The first thing I want to know is how are you girls doing tonight? I'm doing good. Fresh out the shower, getting shit done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pimple popper. Oh yes, honey. So we're gonna start with these beauty marks because they're disgusting. It hurts. I don't even think they're ready yet. Oof, it's disgusting. You can't see it, but it's on there. I need a paper towel. Got rid of that. So I cannot touch my pimples with my fingers because they will multiply like there's no tomorrow. It's disgusting. Like I tell you all the time that my skin is super weird. Yeah, so definitely cannot touch my face with my fingers, even if they're clean, washed, freshly washed. Face freshly washed, it's not happening. Do not touch my face because it will break out like there's no tomorrow. Okay, so that's done. It's probably gonna bleed a little bit, so let's just apply a little pressure. Have you ladies been? Dolls, anybody, whoever's listening to me, I welcome you in on to listen to my channel, guys. So today we're just going to do a Star Wars look. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know if you're all into Star Wars. I like watching it. Ever since I was little, it's always been a go-to with my dad. He always made us watch Star Wars, so I just started liking it. Alrighty, let's start with the Perfector. So this smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. Honey, give me that perfect makeup, okay? I love it. All right. So we're just gonna rub it on in like always. If y'all can hear my kids, I'm sorry. They're having a sleepover with one of their cousins. She came over to visit and decided to stay. But that's okay. They can entertain each other. So this is the speaker that I use, just an FYI. It's a 360 UE Boom Bomb.com, honey. It can get in the water, in the shower with you. Take it to the lake, take it to the pool. There's a bigger one, it floats. Awesomeness. I'm gonna turn it up. Can't hear it. Alrighty, so that is on. Later, I'm gonna do a mask. So tune in for that, honey. It's gonna be fun. But I don't know, I'm scared because I don't know if this is gonna make me break out, because I've used a mask before and it destroyed my skin. Bear with me. All right, so let me see. I should have been more prepared, but I wasn't. I just hopped out the shower and was like, gotta do a video. Right. Got my spongy, got my makeup, my foundation, cover up, and I need my, where is it at? My concealer. Ooh. What time is it? I think Daddy's home. My kid's dad, my husband. Oh, right. Cover those bags, honey. Don't you let nobody know that you have them. And then my red spots that drive me insane. And above my lip. And under. Let's do this today. Okay. I like being silly sometimes, so don't mind me. If you know this song, sing it, girl. Fill those lungs and just let it out. Okay. So what gave me the idea to do this is I couldn't find a shirt to wear to go out tonight, and I was like, we're just gonna go out and eat. I was like, I don't have anything to wear. You know, those days where you're like, ugh, nothing looks good, nothing looks okay. I have absolutely nothing to wear. It was one of those days. So I just threw this one on and I'm calling it a night. And we're just gonna go with the Princess Leia hair buns. Okay. And we're just gonna get this eyeshadow on and pop in today to make it look cute. Okay, Justin. Sing it to me, boy. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Ulta. Guys, I'm going to take you along with me into the store. Don't know what I'm gonna buy yet, but I feel the need that I need to be in there. And I shall. Moving on. Something I don't want to hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you. She likes everyone. And I never liked you. Admit that I was wrong. I like Justin when he was coming out with songs. Now, I don't know what the heck he's doing. But let me tell you, these girly songs, yes, honey, sing it to me. Always love yourself. Okay, so perfection is beautiful. This has a lot on my nose. So guys, I'm thinking about doing a Q&A just because nobody knows who I am. Nobody knows nothing about me. And I want y'all to know things. I want y'all to be in my life. I want y'all to interact. I want y'all to ask questions. I have tons and tons of stories. Tons of things to talk about. For one, me and my husband have been together since I was 14 and we are now, how old am I? 26. Yeah. So, we've been together for a while. We have 2 beautiful kids. If you didn't know, an English bulldog, 2 basset hounds, and a crazy hamster. I say crazy because he's always trying to escape. Psychopath. And I'll show y'all one day how he bites his bars like he is angry and not living life. Okay, okay. Justin, yes. Okay. My nose itches. Next, we're going to pick a color. What do I want to do today? Oh, my brush. Excuse me. Let's open the palette of, I broke the top off, guys. Palette of Wonder. Okay, okay. We should do pink. Pink is my favorite color. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely love pink. The other day I posted a picture on Instagram. I did pink, which faded out to black. Absolutely cute. Y'all should go look at it. I didn't do a video on it. I just posted it. I was too tired. Let's see. I'm going to use one of these today and see how it works out, putting it on my eye. So I'm going to do the white just to have that tone in color. Actually, no. Let's do something different. I did this for nothing. Let's go with a dark pink on the out. Ooh, I like this song. So hot that I melted. Okay, so I'm gonna wet it just so it can stick on there. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. To win some or learn some, but I can't. Whoa! I don't even know the song. More, no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this cutesy pootsy pinky winky. Open up your hand and see like me. Open up your hand and you're free. Guys, I'm struggling at the song and I love this song. I haven't listened to it in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the crease and I'm gonna use this pink because it's cutesy pootsy. And I'm just gonna start fading from the outer to the inner. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate the. Yeah, I'm sucking at the song right now. I'm sure. Do 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 do. You know, whenever you're getting ready to go somewhere and you just start playing the radio and it takes you hours to get ready, yeah, that's beauty right there. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go with this side now. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your mind and you're free. So please don't, please don't, please don't leave me to complicate. I'm yours. Oh no. Yes, 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 darling. It is looking perfecto, perfecto, darling. If y'all. Oh, Adele, don't you do it to me, girl. Don't you sing that song. Okay. So there is the pinky pink. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows and everything in a minute. Just bear with me. Give me some time. Alright. I forgot to get me a rag, so now I'm just using all these crazy ones that are just lying around in my bag. Not what I wanted to do. But anyway, whatever. We shall keep on keeping on. Okay. So from this point, we're gonna go ahead and fill in. I think I want to do black in there just to make it pop with my shirt. So yesterday, what I was telling you, what I did is I did a pink faded into black, but now it's black. It's gonna be black on the inside and fade around with pink. Okay? Okay. For you to don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Now Daddy's home. I heard his car door shut. So that's my husband that I've been with forever. Like I said. How the time flies. So here in a few, he's gonna start demanding a whole bunch of things. He works a crazy schedule. Not really crazy, it's kind of similar to mine. But he gets off at 10. So he comes home starving. And I have his food ready. But I need to go serve his plate here in a minute. But I'm with my dog, so he's gonna have to wait. And he'll understand. He will totally understand. So I was off today. Slept like a baby. Like there was no tomorrow. And it feels good because I'm not a stay-at-home mom anymore. So I get to be home with my babies and enjoy every minute of them. And let me tell you, being home and being able to cook is beautiful. Beautiful. Right. Okay, we're gonna have to stop the video and go tend to him real quick. I will be right back. I'm gonna pause it all.